Hello and welcome. In this session we'll discuss about chemical substances, nature and their behaviors. So as per NCERT CBSE 10 standard science syllabus. First let us discuss with what exactly chemical reactions. Let us see the introduction part. Chemical reaction changes a substance into another substance, right? So that is first point says, and the second one, the speed of chemical reaction measures how quickly reactant are changed into products. That means how the raw material is converted into a product it is, or simply like finished goods we call. Then some reactions occur in a short time, such as like fireworks, like when you lit up a fire stick, so suddenly the fire will come, so that is called quick reactions. Then the reaction between oil and caustic soda taking a long time. So like some are short term and or some are quick and some are long time. Then iron rusting also takes long time, so to occur it is, right? So here you can see on the right side, so there are some chemical reactions between like various reactant. So like one called methane here, and to gets converted to like carbon dioxide and all, or maybe like oxygens, then water molecules and so on so forth. Then moving on, chemical equations. So chemical equation is the symbolic representation of a chemical reaction in the form of symbols and formulae. So simply we call it as a formula we call, or chemical equations. So as you can see, like CH4 plus 2O2 gives CO2 plus 2H2O. So this is the one chemical equations what we call. So this side we call it as a reactant, and this side we call it as a products. Okay. So wherein the reactant entities are given on the left hand side. So as I said just now, so reactants are basically on the left side, okay, and the product entities on the right side, that is right hand side. So this side is called product side. Okay, so here you can observe the image here. So reactant is on the left side and the product is on the right side. Then a balanced chemical equation occurs where the number of like atoms involved in the reactant side is equal to the number of atoms in the product side. So that there should be a balancing, right? So say for example, as you can see here, like CH4 plus 4Cl2, right? So there are like 4 chlorine molecules here, and CCl4 plus CCl4 plus 4HCl, that is hydrochloric acid. So this particular chemical reaction is balanced here. As you can see, CH4, that is methane, 4 hydrogen molecule, 1 carbon, whereas 4 chlorine here. But if you see here, 1 carbon remains as it is. You can see this, observe here, the carbon remains 1 here and chlorine 4 here, but still remaining 4 are there. So that means H4 is left here. So H4 that means what, like 4H here, then Cl is already here. How many left here? Totally 4 left here. So hence 4HCl it is. So hence this particular chemical equation is now, it is balanced, right? So this is how we can call it as a balanced chemical equations. Then implication of balanced chemical equations are like it tells us about the like number of molecules of the reactant of products. Then it also tells us the number of moles of reactant and products, and also it tells us about the mass ratio of reactant and products. So these are the some of the implications of balanced chemical equations in these sessions. So in the next session we'll discuss about the types of chemical reactions. So thanks for watching.